I'm so sorry, I totally forgot we had a lunch date today.
Do you know if the campus shuttle runs on a different schedule during the break?
I can't seem to get the formatting right on this bibliography.
My neighbor's dog was barking all night, and I barely got any sleep.
I'm thinking of applying for that resident assistant position in the dorms.
Wait, did the professor say the exam was cumulative or just on the last 3 chapters?
I'm really nervous about this job interview this afternoon.
I think I left my gym bag in the trunk of your car.
The Wi-Fi in the student union has been so spotty lately.
Could you
Possibly lend me your notes from last Monday's lecture?
I'm having a hard time finding a quiet place to record my podcast.
I accidentally deleted the final version of my essay.
Is it just me, or has the cafeteria food improved recently?
I'm looking for a part-time job that doesn't conflict with my morning classes. I forgot my umbrella and it's absolutely pouring outside.
I'm not sure I understand the difference between these two theories.
My printer just ran out of ink right in the middle of my project. I'm so relieved that the semester is finally over.
Do you mind if I turn up the volume on the TV a little bit?
I've been feeling really overwhelmed with all these extracurricular activities.